What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here saying congratulations to this couple out of Redlands, California who purchased a home. This is your boy GizzyCredit here. For those of you who don't know me, I go by GizzyCredit online. I help people with their credit, their finances, business, loans. The goal at the end of the day is for you to acquire a new asset with your credit that's not going to be a burden to you. It's going to be like one thing that you're going to be good at and you're going to be using and get the value out of it. All right? I don't want to help people get into unnecessary debt so they could just be in debt and just live their life to pay debt. The end of the game is to be debt free. All right, that's the way that things will go. Now, I'm making this video because these two customers actually started out in December of last year, 2017, and they just closed on a house in July. So that's a 7-month process for them. I am not done with their credit. These people came to me and they said they were going to be patient with the process. And I love patient customers because they let me do my job at a pace in which if I need them to update their 3 bureaus, they're able to say, boom, just do it. Or let me know next time you need my bureaus to be updated so I could, update it for you. Or they give me permission to update their 3 bureaus one time a month, because that's the tool that I need in order to do my job and be able to see what has been taken off or compare it to whatever you get on paper form as results from the bureau. So these customers are actually very appreciative. They sent me a nice picture of their home. As you can see right here, this home, they purchased it. I mean, I'm pretty sure over there in California, these houses are really expensive or whatever it takes to, put your family in a situation in which you guys are going to grow and be happy, which is what I intend for you guys to do. Now, at the end of the day, this is not to say, oh, now I got good credit, now I'm going to go and get in debt. It's not about that life, okay? So these people, they actually contacted me and they said, we're done with the purchase of the home. Thank you for putting us in position so that we were able to do this, which was the main goal. And now our goal is to continue helping you, continue helping them in removing every last bit negative item on their credit report, because at the end of the day, you contacted me so I could do a total cleanup of your credit file. So congratulations to this customer. Little short video for you guys. You guys to understand that this is a process. This is nothing that happens overnight. This is a teamwork situation, and it's something in which we enjoy doing, and we enjoy more of the customer who is going to be patient with the process as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you need to contact me, that's my phone number above. You can go to my website and give me your contact info, or you can text me your email address to this phone number, and we will get back to you and send you our info needed for business credit review email, or send you, if you're looking for a business credit, if you're looking for a business loan, we can definitely help facilitate that for you. GizzyCredit again. Hope all is well. See you soon. Catch me on my stories on Instagram. Peace.
Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
You no longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.